Move so I can see Cielo open her present.
Cool backpack. Cool scarf too.
And they're both the same kind of pink.
Well, keep opening it, dude.
Oh, right in front of Cielo. Move, Emmy. Emmy, move, please.
Scoot to that side. Scoot that way.
What is it, Cielo?
Mommy can't see.
What's in your present?
What is it?
Wow!
What is it?
Little people.
Here you go.
Oh!
Hey, look.
Yay! Okay. Emmy, you put your presents on the rocking chair.